Hey guys, John Richards here. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about, can intermittent fasting cause weight gain? First of all, I want to tell you what intermittent fasting is. Now, intermittent fasting is something I've been doing now for 2 to 3 years, and it's a way of eating. You know, it's a nutrition plan. I don't like the word diet, but it's a way of eating. And basically what you're doing is you're not eating for a certain amount of hours, and then you're eating for a certain amount of hours. So like in my case right now, I don't eat for 18 hours. Then I have an eating window for 6 hours. And I started out, and the most popular protocol is 16 hours, and then you eat for 8 hours. You know, whatever it is, you know, but you have a certain amount of time you're going to eat. And, you know, so basically the cause of weight gain is you're taking in more calories than you're burning. And, you know, whether you're eating for 6 hours or 4 hours or 8 hours, if you're still overeating during that time, you're going to gain weight. I mean, that's just the way it is. You know, this is not a secret thing that, you know, hey, I've got 6 hours to eat, man, game on, I can get down. Yeah, you can put more into that 6 hours or 4 hours or 8 hours, but you still can't go overboard. So what my suggestion would be, and what I do, is I have a plan. So I stop eating at 7 o'clock at night, then I fast until 1 o'clock the next day. Now, the reason I stop at 7 o'clock at night is a lot of my fasting time is during when I sleep, okay? So I get up in the morning, I go to the gym, so I work out fasted, and then right up to 1 o'clock. So at 1 o'clock, what I do is I break my fast with meal one. Now, meal one for me is usually a portion of protein, a portion of carbohydrates, maybe a little bit of fat, and water. I drink strictly water, okay? And then about 3.5, 4 hours later, I do a protein drink. Now, my first protein drink is usually about 30 grams of protein, and I do put in some blueberries and maybe a banana, and I do that in almond milk, okay? Then about 6 o'clock, I do meal two, and meal two consists of the same thing. It's very portioned. When I say portion, when you're looking at protein, you're looking at about a fist size, okay? So a fist size of protein, a fist size of carbohydrates, and then a little bit of fat. And then right at 7 o'clock, maybe 6:45, before I end my eating window, I'll do another protein drink. But this time, there are no carbohydrates. The only thing I have is almond milk and the protein. And I want to make sure that I take it right at the end so I have protein in my system, and then that'll burn off. Because when you hit about 12 hours, when you start burning fat, okay? But what a lot of people do, and what I have been extremely guilty of, is during that eating window, it's game on. I'll eat, you know, chips and salsa and ice cream and cake and diet soda and all those things. You know, so if your ultimate goal is just to have a better way of eating, that's fine. But if you want to really lose some weight, you know, burn some fat, you need to have a plan. You should always have a plan for anything you do. And it doesn't have to be a real strict, structured plan. It could be something pretty simple. I'm going to eat 2 meals, 2 protein drinks, or maybe in your case, 3 meals, whatever it is. But you should have some kind of plan. Don't just go free-for-all during that eating window, because you will gain weight. So can intermittent fasting cause weight gain? Yes, it can. You know, and again, it's just got to be a structured thing for you, where you have some kind of a plan. If you do that, you're going to burn fat, you're going to lose weight. Hey, hopefully you guys like this. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you did. Hey, make sure you comment, tell me what you're doing if you have any questions. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that bell notification on the top, and that'll make sure you get notified of any future videos. Go out and make it an awesome day today, guys. Thank you so much.